Hey there, savvy investors. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down essential tech and security tips to keep your finances safe. Today, we're diving into how to enable two-factor authentication on Robinhood. In an era where cyber threats are everywhere, enabling 2FA is like adding a fortress around your account. It's quick, easy, and could save you from major headaches. So, let's jump right in. First things first, why bother with 2FA? It adds an extra layer of security beyond just your password. If someone gets your login details, they'll still need a second code sent to your phone or generated by an app. Now, to get started, make sure you're logged into your Robinhood account on the app or website. Once you're in, navigate to the main menu. Look for the account icon, usually in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Settings or Account Settings. Scroll down until you find the Security section. Here, you'll see an option for two-factor authentication. Go ahead and select it. Robinhood will prompt you to choose your preferred method. You can opt for an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or auth, or even SMS for a text code. If you pick the app, download it if you haven't already, then scan the QR code that appears on your screen. After scanning, the app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter that code into the Robinhood verification field to confirm. Once it's verified, congratulations, you've just enabled 2FA. Robinhood might ask you to test it out, so follow any additional prompts. And that's it, you've now secured your Robinhood account like a pro. Remember, taking these steps can protect your hard-earned investments from unauthorized access. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.